Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning Mercedes-Benz CLA 2.0 Premium Plus AMG Line Night Edition, finished off in Iridium Silver. This CLA AMG line comes with a high desirable specification, including smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, MBUX Multimedia system, Hey Mercedes voice activation, traffic sign assist, Mercedes Me remote services, cruise control limiter, heated front seats, leather package with light on site package, split folding rear seats with seat comfort package and 3-spoke multifunction leather steering wheel. In addition, this comes with a panoramic glass sunroof, reversing camera, dynamic select, mirror package, multi-beam LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist, LED tail lamps, active brake assist, active lane keeping assist, parking package and speed limit assist. Full details and photos are over on our website. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from black leather seating and interior and 64 colour ambient lighting. Externally, this benefits from Iridium silver paint finish, gloss black front splitter, Panamericana grille, AMG rear diffuser with quad exhaust tips, gloss black rear spoiler and rear bumper canards, AMG Bodystyling, night package and privacy glass. This CLA AMG line comes with full Mercedes-Benz service history, having only covered 11,800 miles, one former keeper and in very good condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a high factory specification and cosmetic styling upgrades. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_Auto House for the latest stock updates and services.